All right, guys, that's 4,473. That's how you. This is the key on the ignition. That's the for the fuel, and that's for the main door, and then that one is for the heats receiver lock. So you simply put the key all the way down, and then you press the button. One shot. That's how you start. Look, because it's already hot, it goes to 800 RPM. Once you're on the highway, all you need to do is drive 2500 RPM, and then you got 60. See, you hear the horn? How loud it is? That's the horn. It's a wiper. That's a new wiper. That's the fan. You hear the fan? Oh, we don't have a small piece of paper. So once you're done, just put this one. Let's turn off the radio. I don't know if you hear the fan. Let me turn off the engine. Alright. Once you turn up the engine, the fan is also up. Alright. Let's do it again. Turn on. Turn on the engine. Key. And then start the button. One shot, guys. One shot. It's hiding right there. Look. It's hidden. Push button to start is hidden. As long as you put this one, you can find the push button to start. Alright, guys. Bye bye, Tube. Bye bye. Alright, again, 4,473. Let's turn it off. It's ready for pickup today. Anisechet for the phone holder. Alright, I'm not gonna drive anymore because it's already done deal. Done. For safety, once you're on the campground, you simply disconnect. You know why? So nobody play around on the horn or whatever, because like what I said, this horn is too loud. Alright, that's my Chinook, guys. Chinook ready for pickup today. I'm missing my Chinook already, but I'm gonna build 4x4, guys. 4x4.